stems to all MCs. This stems to all MCs. To all MCs. Now sit back, relax, put on your headgear. You're waiting and waiting, but stop debating and release the highs. Just let them fly while I say what's up to grandma in the sky. Let the bass consume the place. I'm chilling in the studio, listening to Ace about platinum hits and how high to climb and how many MCs really can't rhyme. But I get a dime for the wax I press. It's all a mind state that leads to stress. Them evil spirits, but I can't hear it. Like my girl Giant told me, Seth, you got to clear it. So I release and find my peace through a beat or some shit and dream about hits. I gotta keep my thing on straight, get my head together and wait till I get my share. At least I'm on the air.
I got a cut for your crates, beats and rhymes on black plates to pass around. With my 9 to 5 plus studio time, I got a radio slot trying to get hot. Soombi was the one that said that there was a flaw when the seas blow up and they get large and forget, basing their styles on a hit. So I try to step around this twist with acts like Green and my man Superb, where rhyming is first and the fame is third. So I walk around town with the full cassette, thinking all the times and new ways to stay fresh, stay so fresh. This is what I do daily. You might see the show and request me. Do an interview and speak about the West, or some whack MC might try to test. Like Seth, I got stress and sometimes I may smoke me a blunt with my man Kwame.